So this is how you can do YouTube automation with easy and free AI tools. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step, starting with ChatGPT. First, of course, you're going to need a script. So just ask ChatGPT to write a script on whatever topic you want. If you don't want a script from ChatGPT, you could actually use these Reddit subpages and take these stories from there. Because it's actually quite popular to take these from Reddit, like scary stories or ITA stories. But yeah, just take whatever story, take whatever script, or create one yourself. And now what you're going to want to do is go to revid.ai. The tutorial we're going to be doing today is one of the most popular YouTube automation tactics, and this is the Minecraft parkour or the Subway Surfers parkour type of YouTube automation. So basically, this website, all you have to do is just type in the script in this box, and it's going to generate a video much like this. As you can see, you have the Minecraft jumping thing, and it's going to generate that, and it's also going to generate the text. So it's pretty much like you're not really doing anything. All you have to do is just take a script, put it here, and then download and then post. It's truly that simple. You could even create Fortnite videos or Subway Surfers videos. But yeah, this is the only website you need in order to do YouTube automation. You could even choose voices from different people, or you could record your own voice. And audio, if you want a background audio, maybe something that's small or very quiet, you could do that as well. And then at the bottom, just simply tap on generate video, and then you can upload it wherever you like, TikTok, YouTube, or wherever. Basically, all you need is a script and you're good to go. And so I actually pasted in one of my scripts over here. And now let's tap on generate. But first, it's going to ask us to go ahead and sign in. So I'm just going to do that real quick. And now it's going to send a link to our email. Go ahead and verify that, and you'll be good to go. The video should be in your email, and then you can watch it, download it, and upload it. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.